Hello guys, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform. And today's Sunday ka Funda is related to how does air conditioner works. Actually, we will also see the demonstration of the AC working. And I would like to tell you, first of all, there are two units in the air conditioner you are having at your home. Like the first unit, which is inside your room, is like this. It is said to be the evaporator. And the second unit, which is kept generally outside, that is said to be condenser. Let us see how that unit looks like. So guys, here this is the first unit which is said to be evaporator. If you see, when I will be opening the cover, there is a जाली, और ये जाली इसलिए होती है कि कोई डस्ट वगैरह अंदर नहीं जाए. And I feel you can feel that this is the inside of this evaporator. And I feel you can feel there are some pipes, small pipes are there. If you can feel closely, there are some pipes are there, and these pipes are there on a periphery, and which is going to rotate during when the AC is going to work. And these pipes are actually having the, you can say, the liquid or the vapor refrigerant, you can say. And that is what is going to happen actually, that is going to flow inside these pipes. And when this entire unit is rotating, the outside air is there. You know that the outside air, whenever we are talking about, will be having the higher temperature. So what this will be taking, this will be having lower temperature, this will be in the vapor phase, okay. And so what it will be taking the heat from the outside air, and when it will be taking the heat, obviously the air temperature will be reducing. And after that, when, as I said, due to the less temperature near these pipes, you must understand one thing, that the air which is very near to this, there are chances कि वो जो air है उसके अंदर का जो वाटर वेपर है वो कंडेंस हो जाए. एंड दैट इज़ वाई, जब वो कंडेंस हो जाएगा तो इसके कारण हमको इसकी एक पाइप आउटलेट देनी पड़ती है जो कि कंडेंस लिक्विड या कंडेंस वाटर को बाहर निकालेगा. ओके, सो गाइस, नाउ यू कैन सी द whenever we are talking about these pipes, there is a copper pipe connection is there, which is going to be connected with this. We will be attaching a copper pipe which will be connected with the second unit, which is said to be the condenser. Okay, so here actually in this unit an expansion valve is also present along with these you can say evaporator. So guys, now the second unit is condenser. But like from the evaporator, as you know, evaporator has to take the heat from the surrounding, so its temperature of the you can say lubricant or refrigerant should be lesser obviously from the room temperature. But the same, whenever it's going to the condenser, has to reject the heat to the atmosphere. So when it is going to condense, it has to reject the heat to the atmosphere, and for that its temperature should be more than atmospheric temperature. So in between we need a compressor which will increase the temperature of the refrigerant. So that compressor and condenser, they are together in the same unit. So as you know, this is the unit, and here similar pipes what we have shown you in the evaporator are there. So those coils, those are there, and in between those pipes or coil, the refrigerant is there, and that is coming from the reciprocating type of compressor. And after compression, as it is coming, its temperature and pressure is increased. So whenever it is coming, then to increase the heat transfer rate, we are going to have a fan with that. You can see the fan is there always in this second unit. So that fan is to increase the heat transfer rate. And now my dear, whatever the heat it is going to reject, with that the complete cycle is going to take place. And this is how the AC is going to work with these two units. Okay. Let us see, we have already seen the demonstration on the real AC evaporator as well as on the condenser compressor unit. Now we will see the same thing for some better explanation on the board and with the help of some GIFs. So this is some detail about me. My name is Dheeraj Sardana. I am having around 10 plus years of experience, and these are my areas of expertise. So this is about the working we have seen. So you can see this was the evaporator, which was the indoor unit, okay, inside the room which was there, and these were the coils in which the refrigerant was moving, and you know the ambient air will be coming and that will get cool, and obviously the air near to these coils will be cooler. Because of that, what will happen?
the water content present will be getting condensed, and because of that you will get that condensed drain outside. You need to apply a drainage pipe, and after that, this this refrigerant will be going to the compressor. So majorly we are trying that this should be in the vapor form. That's why when it will be going to the compressor, it will be compressing it. It is reciprocating type of compressor. It will compress it, temperature and pressure will increase, and then this hot refrigerant will be going to the condenser unit, because now we need to eject the heat. So that is why, to reject the heat, temperature should be more than the atmospheric. Here we are going to accept the heat, temperature should be less than the atmospheric. So that is why now in the condenser, this hot refrigerant will be rejecting the heat here, and after that the warm refrigerant will be going to the expansion wall, and after that this will be sending the cold refrigerant to the evaporator. So this is how the things are going on. So guys, now we will see on to the second slide. One more animation I am having for you. This is how the things are going on. That this is compressor, this is going to be expansion wall, and this is the evaporator, and this is the condenser. This is how the things are going on. So I feel these animations or GIFs are enough to explain. So here also you can see in the evaporator unit, this is the condenser unit. Fans are used to increase the heat transfer rate. Okay, this is the valve, as I already told you. So this is the working we have already seen, the assemblies. So all these things are similar. I have shown you with the 3 figures, and we have already seen how the working is going to take place. So I would like to add here one thing. Whenever we are talking about the air conditioning, generally students are confused about refrigeration and air conditioning. So refrigeration and air conditioning are separate in one way. Actually, air conditioner is a vast term from which you can take refrigeration, because air conditioner not only talk about the temperature, but also it take care of the quality of air, and also will be talking about the humidity. So as air conditioner is going to take care of many factors, so you can say it is the broader term. Refrigeration is just a part of air conditioning, we can say that. So goodbye guys. For more such videos, just stay tuned with us. We will be coming up with more such Sunday Ka Funda sessions. Goodbye.